Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tef Leezy Fosheezy is into Heezy. What a weird Monday.
Well, yeah. Well, first off, what a weird weather we're having. Air quality is terrible.
Air quality is
The entire
terrible.
West Coast is just burning.
My heart goes out to the people of Afghanistan.
Dude, a lot of things are happening right now, man. Jesus Christ, left and right. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, and it just sucks. It just sucks because it feels like there's no actual contingency plan for all of this.
Well, let me just put my 2 cents in, before we get on with the show. I looked at my kids and I'm like, man, they're so fortunate and so blessed, right?
Oh yeah.
Because first of all, like they're living in the land of the free. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like women in that country currently have no rights whatsoever. Mm-hmm. Okay. And, a very, terrorizing group, it has taken over the entire country. Right. And it just sucks. You see it on TV, you see it on the news, people trying to flee their own country.
Mm-hmm. Dude, you see that one video? They were taking a picture of that jetliner, right?
Yeah.
And people were falling off the jetliner.
They were on top of the plane.
Good God, dude. That's heartbreaking. That just sucks. That really
Man,
sucks. And there was an earthquake in Haiti.
Yeah.
We're still in a pandemic.
Yep.
Air
quality is 160 over here. Everyone got asthma.
I know. There's a lot of FUD in the market. We definitely saw the FUD in the market earlier.
Oh, today, yeah. And then towards the end, it kind of like recovered.
It kind of recovered.
Yeah.
It picked up some more steam at the end there. You know what I mean? And if he didn't do any type of like training or any type of learning, you wouldn't have gotten or seen any types of setups for today's gains. Right. So in order for you guys to know, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're not willing to pay to learn about a bear hammer, you might as well give your money to Jason Rolls, the Forex scammer. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. A night! Yes! A whole night!
That was a good one.
A whole nine.
Wait, people won't know who Jason Rolls is.
Oh, Jason Rolls is a dude on Instagram. So he hit me up and asked me what I did for a living. And I told him I'm a day trader. I do a podcast, all this hoopla. And he goes, have you heard of Forex? And I'm like, yes, I have. And it's trash. So, and it's funny because he's hitting up a lot of, I guess
everyone.
He's hitting up the circuit of all, like anything that says like stock trading or whatever. And he's also hitting up people in our Discord channel. So he's a constant reminder of what a Forex scammer is. He actually hit Jay up on his barber page.
Yeah, that's pretty sad.
Because he's now getting desperate to try to make some sales. Dude, Jason Rolls, you are not a trader. You are a salesman.
He's very resilient.
I know. I could spot a salesman from a mile away. You're a salesman, not a trader. I sell cable.
I know a lot of salesmen.
You sell hopes and dreams. Or promises and nightmares, sir. No, not gonna do this. But if you guys want to know how we fared and see other plays that we want to talk about, make sure you guys hit up the subscribe button, post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content. Because John, if they gave us a thumbs down,
your mama from the streets.
Your mama's a night walker.
Streetwalker.
A night walker. A beaver consultant.
A beaver consultant, right? Make sure you guys drop down in the comment section below. The score you would give me for that nice little ad for Bust Down Investments. Also, stocks that you guys want us to cover in for the next episode. Let's get to it after this intro.
All right, John. Not a whole lot of member gains today. We saw a swing from Matt for like $600. Congratulations to Matty Ice. Let's dive right into it. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple faked this out today.
Bro.
Yeah.
I know Jay doesn't watch this. We're not going to call out Jay today.
I mean, go ahead if you're going to do this.
No, man. Share the screen. Share the screen, please, because it's under the general chat.
Is it under the general chat?
And this guy just shows us out of nowhere that this dude made 12 grand today. Where was it? Yep, right there at 9:16 a.m. at the general chat.
See, look, Jason Rolls is making his rounds.
Making his rounds.
Jason Rolls.
You're going to see shots fired.
Shots fired. There we go.
We're not going to talk about this, Jay? Really? Huh? You're the one who said you don't like swinging and F swinging, right?
Swung.
Clearly, it says today at 9:16 a.m. swung puts from Friday. Wow, and over the weekend.
A weekend swing.
A weekend swing. And on top of that, it's a next week expiration. What a savage.
What a savage.
Wow. Can't win a 3 months out swing, but you're going to win a 1 week swing? Wow.
He's done for the week. You know that, right? He's done trading for the month.
He's probably done for the month.
He's done for the month. I'm not giving these gains back. He's done for the month.
Congratulations, brother.
Congratulations, dude. You are the captain of the ship himself, making it look easy, but it's not easy. The prep that he does for all these trades, dude, show me a person that preps harder than Jay, and I'll show you a better trader. Nobody preps harder than Jay. Jay does it. Jay does it day in and day out, which, you know,
Captain Jay.
Congratulations, Captain Jay. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple faked us out today. Very interesting day on Apple. Remember yesterday I mentioned that I had calls for Apple for the 147 strike. It broke the EMA 9 earlier, so I said I'm gonna let it go.
And it bounced.
I let it go and it bounced. So I'm kicking myself in the face because it bounced. There's a lot more to it. This is the intraday chart, by the way. Let's take a look at the daily chart, because the daily chart is telling me that there's going to be more to the upside. We're at all-time highs, by the way.
Yep.
We are at all-time highs. So we're breaking ranges now. And I don't think it's gotten this. No, it hasn't gotten this high since the split.
Mm-hmm.
The highest it ever gotten in the split is 137. So we are Apple's back.
You know Apple's going to carry the market. It's the biggest company in the world, first of all. And just want to let you know that it's the leader of its sector, its industry, and it's the leader of the market. So what you need to do is just follow Apple, and then next compare that to the Qs in my opinion, and then the Qs will follow.
Yeah. So a couple more things here for Apple, which is really amazing, is we're not oversold or not overbought. I mean, we're not overbought. This MACD
has room.
MACD is curl. MACD has a lot of room. So it actually it's about to cross over to the upside, and we have more room. So I would say 151-ish. We're going to see slight consolidation, a little bit of sideways action until another move to the upside. I really want this RSI to give it a little bit of a rest so we have more room to the upside.
Yeah.
But the divergence volume, the divergence indicator is telling me that we're going to see a slew of green. You see how it's scooped up? There's going to be more green here. So I might re-enter Apple. I'm glad that I took a little bit of profit, not the profit that I wanted, but a little bit of profit. So I'm kind of excited about that. The next stock that we want to cover is Krispy Kreme, which reports earnings tomorrow.
Man, I miss Krispy Kreme, by the way.
Krispy Kreme's delicious.
Hell yeah! You know what's your favorite one?
My favorite Krispy Kreme donut is the glazed, as long as the lights are on outside. Oh. You know what I mean?
Glaze all the way. Plus, I do like the jelly.
Not a fan of the jelly. I was never a fan of the jelly donut. You know what? We went to Disneyland this past couple weeks ago, right? Mm-hmm. And there's a duck donut there. And if you're telling me about duck donut, you're telling me that it's so good, but I didn't have the time to go. I know.
Because they just opened one out here, and I guess it's a growing franchise. I was looking
It's like the
into it.
Chipotle of donuts, right? Like you build your
Yeah,
own donut.
it's yeah, build your own, and I don't know the business concept. Me personally, I know we're going off on this one. Just give me a 2 cents on this one. The business concept for Duck Donuts is just they're gonna have some struggles along the way. They were already having struggles because I was just observing them. Kind of like Chipotle. Chipotle had to reinvent the wheel. They had to do they had to open up e-commerce, which is a huge revenue booster for Chipotle itself. And on top of that, they had gosh, all of these deliveries, these e-commerce deliveries, companies like DoorDash, Grubhub, and what was the other one?
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats, yeah, whatever. Helped Chipotle. But going back to Duck Donuts, they're gonna have some struggles. I mean, but their donuts they're delicious, by the way. They're made to order.
Yeah, made to order donuts. I mean, that's great. That's a good concept. You know what I mean?
The moment you order it, they fry it right in front of you.
Imagine the pain of a Duck Donut worker when the person goes up, because usually that concept, like build your own donut, it's kind of like
forever.
It's a 1-for-1, right? Like, hey, you want one donut? I'll make you a donut. Imagine the person that goes there and goes, I want a dozen, and I want to customize each and every one.
And that's what happened when I was there. Not too long ago, actually. They always have a line. They always have a line for a reason. It's not because they're busy. It's because of their business concept.
The process is weird.
Someone comes in and says, "I want 3 dozen. I want them customized." That's it. You're
done for the day.
Yeah,
yeah, you're done for the day. You
just pissed off everyone in the line. Yeah,
yeah. You wanted to get donuts at 6 o'clock in the morning. Now you're getting donuts at noon.
Yeah. I mean, it's fresh.
A 3 dozen customized Duck Donut job is 6 hours long.
Dude, it's fresh though. I mean, worth it. But
I know. But let's get back to DNUT.
Yeah,
I like this is the best name for a ticker.
I know, right?
Krispy Kreme ticker symbol DNUT.
DNUT.
John, you want to know about D? What D? DNUT.
DNUT. What do you see on Krispy Kreme? Man,
I see nothing. To be honest,
I don't even see anything on. You're right. I don't see anything on this chart at all. But
the reason why we're covering this is because they're reporting earnings tomorrow, and I just want people to keep an eye on this, right? Yeah. Because Dunkin' Donuts, Krispy Kreme is trading below IPO levels.
Yeah.
Right. So below IPO levels, we are almost close to oversold. This MACD looks like it wants to curl down. It could be a potential short.
You think so?
I think so.
More?
I think there's more. I think there's a potential short, depending on what the earnings report is, right? We're seeing not a whole lot of movement ever since it hit $16 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago. We've seen a downtrend. It's just a consistent downtrend, right? We see a flat trading day a couple of days ago, and today it dumped a little bit more. So is it people? There's only 2 options here: are people getting ready to go long, or are people wanting to short this more? Right? Obviously, those are the 2 only options you have in the stock market. But the dip got bought up. I do think that if we, depending on really, it's hard. I'm not gonna make a prediction on this, but I feel that if the earnings are bad, there's gonna be more shorts getting piled into this. Remember, it's a post IPO stock, and this is their first earnings.
I want to know who's giving out all these price targets, because Morgan Stanley gave it a $23 strike. HSBC gave it a $25 strike.
When? Today or a couple of days ago?
No, these were like within the past 2 weeks actually. And if it's trading at $14.50, like just imagine the discounted price that you're currently buying right now. If all of these major banks are, giving it like in the 20s price target. And that's like above IPO levels, by the way. So I don't know where they're getting the valuation right now. I mean, donuts, are they really a hot commodity right now? I don't think so. So
I mean,
I'd be bearish.
I think in the law enforcement community, they're very popular.
That is so true, though. Why? I don't understand that. I don't
know.
understand that.
Because it's an easy snack. It keeps you up. There's sugar.
So is a
involved.
pastry.
Yeah,
or
but
a bagel.
Like think about getting out of your car to get a bagel and a pastry.
Pastry's the same thing. You have it in your hand, you can chomp on it. I mean, the bagel, you still got to spread your cream cheese or your...
I know, but for a Krispy Kreme donut, all you got to do is go through the drive-thru.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
you've never swallowed a donut before?
I've swallowed donut holes, not a full donut.
Okay, all right.
Especially if it's a cake donut. I lean towards the cake donuts more. The crullers.
The cake. I'm not a fan of a cake donut. I like the raised.
The raised donuts. You know, like in Disneyland, they have like churro gears, which is like churro donuts.
Yeah. Yes.
Fire. Delicious. The next stock that we want to cover is AMC.
Are you serious?
I mean, are we not serious?
All right. I did text you. I said it's starting to look good again. It's playing with our emotions.
Yep.
Seriously.
So AMC is trying to test this 35 level. A couple of days ago, it got rejected off of that 37 mark. 37 level is the next one up because we are seeing some levels here that are right around, the 37 mark, 30. Let's see here. What is this? The EMA 50, 3709-ish, 3705-ish.
At the 50, yeah.
If we ever go above 3705, I think we're in the clear here. Notice that the MACD just crossed over and wanting to go higher, wanting to open up. We're not even oversold.
Looks like a good swing
by any means. It looks like a solid swing.
Yeah.
It looks like a very solid swing. So for the apes out there, besides what we've been talking about lately, we also notice this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3.
Bottom.
You seen that?
Yeah.
Yeah. A triple bottom.
Well, it forms support around in the 32, 33s. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're definitely watching. I'm definitely watching this for a move to the upside. I mean, granted, there's still a whole bunch of malarkey happening with the stock market.
This looks good.
And now it's starting to look good again. So let's see where this goes. If you are playing AMC, don't be dumb. Don't buy this weekend's calls because you don't know when it's going to happen.
Yeah.
Give yourself some time. All right. Give yourself some time for this play to mature. And if you're chasing the MOAS, play this always 3 weeks ahead. If you see profit, take profit. On the downtrend, take it again. You know what I mean? But the levels really to watch over here is the 37. 37. Actually, it's 36.95. Around those levels. As long as we break that, we're fine. Anything after hours concerned, nothing really. We're still above that 35 mark. I thought that it wasn't going to do much, but it kind of rallied today from its lows of 32.75 all the way to 35.75. So that's a pretty strong move.
Mm-hmm.
That's a very strong move. And it's worth watching. We'll revisit this tomorrow and see what it gives us for tomorrow's trading session. John, any last trading words? Any last trades?
That MACD for the AMC daily chart looks good. Looks really good.
Yeah, it does look really good. It does look once it opens up a little bit. You know, sometimes I look at the AMC chart and on level 2 it will say $1,500.
Okay, stop.
I'm just saying, John, what would you do if it came out to $1,500? Can you imagine? Dude, your brother's going to call you and just joy all together. Just super happy. Super happy. I'd join him. I'd call him like, dude,
he's going to send me a screenshot of his Cash App account.
Oh, man. Jeff, can you please get out of Cash App? Please, can you get out of
Cash App? Damn broker, man.
Come on. Can you please get out of Cash App?
It's Cash App.
I mean, we love you, brother, but you just got to get out of Cash App.
Worse than Robinhood, bro.
That's like telling Joe Schmo down the road, like, here, buy these socks for me.
Damn.
Come on.
Damn, man.
Come on, you got to stay handsome. Handsome people don't trade on Cash App.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
All right, that's it for us here on Daddy Bits. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because John, if they gave us a thumbs down, your mama is a beaver consultant, aka a night walker. Make sure that you guys follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades, Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.